Hello everyone, I am Dhushintha, Program Planning Lead of IEEE Young to Niche Professionals, IEEE Young Professionals Sri Lanka. IEEE is Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, and we had a great program with knowledge partnering with Radio Society of Sri Lanka, and I would like to take few moments to thank them and share whatever the experience we had with them. So, young to niche professionals connect the young professionals, young engineers and freshers with the expertise in that field, and this time we had the program of ham radio communication, that is amateur radio communication workshop series, which covers the most of the communication methods, likewise image, voice, digital, satellite and emergency ham radio communications. And with that, today we are here at the Amateur Radio Laboratory and had a full day workshop series with many ham enthusiast participants. And here today we have the participants build the antenna and then had the experience of voice communication and image communication. Then as a last event, they as an interesting part had the fox hunting. So with that, as IEEE Young Professionals, Y20 Pro thank Radio Society of Sri Lanka and our esteemed speakers. I will start with all five speakers: Mr. Tharanga Premathilaka, Mr. Victor Gunathilaka, and Mr. Kusal Appa, Mr. Ruwan Abeko, and Mr. Sadeepa Sepala. So thank you. We are grateful for all the esteemed speakers for sharing their expertise and giving the knowledge to our participants and giving a valuable program workshop series for young to niche professionals. So thank you everyone, and also thank you RSSL for being the knowledge partner, and hope to have so many events with RSSL. Thank you.